How you doing?
Yeah, hey, good to see you, Willard. Saw you on TV with George Poveroma. Next
Well,
time you see old George, say hi.
I will. He's doing a seminar today.
Fellow Mako driver. Would like to make a I had a old 261 twin Yamahas, then I had a 2520 with twin Johnson Ocean on it.
Wow.
So I'm sort of a Mako fan.
So you've been doing it a long time.
I started fishing with my dad about 55 years ago, the Galveston Bay and the jetties. Got a little bit bigger boat, started fishing offshore on the Galveston, switched to Surfside, and been fishing on Surfside for a number of years.
I started the same way. I was 3 years old, 52 years ago with my dad. And yeah, my mom told the story. He carried me on his back. Surfside, Quintana jetty.
On a jetty, yeah.
He said the Surfside jetty was ever we fished at Quintana. And we were catching, he used me to catch the piggies, and he turned them into. There you go. Yes, sir.
We've even seen kingfish at the Quintana jetty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good, good.
Been doing it for a while with the Houston Boat Show, January 2019.
Tell them your name.
My name is Glenn Morgan.
And your wife?
Wife and
I like her. I like your shirt. I like the color.
Ta-da!
And the hair. You know, my hair used to be that color too.
Well, I can.
I
get
know.
that.
I like it. I like it. Well, thanks for coming. Thanks for even recognizing.
My pleasure, George. I mean, well, it's good seeing you again. Wish you all the good luck next time you're out on the water. Be safe.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by.
Catch a big one.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
There's only two kinds to catch: a good old big one or a big old good one.
There you go. I like that.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.